How to track an order on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily track your order on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application in your device and then go to your profile section. So for that, click on U icon from the bottom and in the menu, click on your orders. After that, choose the particular item which you want to track. After you have chosen the item, you will be able to see the option of track. Simply click on it. Once you click on the track, you will see which step of your item has been completed, how many further steps are remaining for it to be delivered to you. So that's it. That is how easily you can track an order on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.